Here's a short video to show you how to access and use the WaterTankJAVA simulator. Here's the link to it here in a Microsoft Word document, and so I'll hit Control-click to open that up. And over here, I get a warning, and I'll keep this file, and it will download. Take a few seconds to download, and then I double-click on it. Or you could save it to anywhere on your computer and then double click on it as you want to. And this opens a standalone program that has two windows. One is the simulator window. I'll show it here. And then the other is a description window, which you could take a look at later if you wanted to. I'll minimize it right now. And here are the parameters that you can control. You control the inflow of water. S stands for the source of inflow, 2 gallons per minute. And notice as I change this, the water flow in the simulation changes. I can change the lifetime. That's essentially how long it takes to leak out to a level of about 40% of where it was when it started leaking out, if there was no inflow. And then the initial volume. And that's usually set to 0. Okay, and so I can just run the simulation by hitting the play button. I can pause and step through if I want to. And notice in this simulation that as the bucket fills up, the outflow increases. Okay, and then gets to the end, and it automatically, if you ran it all the way to the end, it would automatically reset. Let me do that. Run it all the way to the end. And it resets the volume to 0 for the next run. Okay. I can change the lifetime if I want to and run a different simulation. So I'll change that to 20, and you have to hit the enter key and then run this simulation. And essentially, you just get different colors of graphs for the different simulations as you progress. And if you hit the reset button, then everything clears off and you could rerun things again at their reset values. Okay, the other thing is you can have a simple tank here and run that simulation. And this is a tank that has no leak in it at all. And notice that the simple tank and the leaky tank agree with each other for the first couple minutes, first 2 minutes or so. They agree pretty well. And then as this leaky tank fills up, it levels off to an equilibrium level, and the simple tank just keeps filling up until it's full, and then it levels off. Okay, well that should get you started to see how the controls work, and good luck with the activity.